Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Amazon Prime Video login problem. So let's just get straight into the video. The first thing you want to try to do is simply ensure that you are using the correct email, phone number, and your password, paying attention to capitalization. The other thing you want to do is use the Forgot Password tab, which is right over here. Once you enter your email, click on Continue, and then it will give you your Forgot Password tab. You can simply click on Need Help and click on Forgot Password as well. Simply go ahead and enter your email or your mobile number, which they will send a verification code to. And once you enter that verification code back into the application, they'll let you create a new password. If that is not working, then try to restart your phone, tablet, or smart TV. For TVs, unplug from the wall and then wait for 60 seconds. Finally, you can also try to check for any new updates available. So simply go ahead and open your App Store and simply go ahead and search for Amazon Prime Video, just like that. And once you've done that, all you need to do is click on the application and check if there are any updates available. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.